Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. Narendra Modi once said, comma, inverted comma, it is important how we view the youth of our nation, full stop, to simply consider them new age voter is a big mistake, comma, they are the new age power, inverted comma, the advantage with India's big population is that it has huge number of youth population, full stop. By 2020, comma, the working age population in India is expected to grow by more than 47 million people, comma, the number far ahead to that of China or US, full stop, if we can harness this powerhouse of the nation in the right direction, comma, then the country can reach untold heights, full stop. The creative potential of the younger Indians coupled with their zeal, comma, enthusiasm, comma, energy and versatility in the field of information technology, comma, management and science have already proved wondrous to the world, full stop. Paragraph change, sadly, comma, our youth is losing touch with a sense right and wrong or good or bad, full stop. This is because, comma, as a nation, comma, we have failed in our duty to capture their energy and mold it in the right direction, full stop, due to increasing unemployment, comma, we have been unable to keep them busy in constructive work, full stop. Some of them are ignorant or are aspiring for their personal goals, full stop. The result is that nothing inspires our youth except shortcuts to make money, full stop. Our politicians too have failed to harness the power of youth in a productive way, full stop. Youth is the best medicine to cure the social diseases, comma, like corruption, comma, casteism, comma, regionalism, etc., full stop. It would be a great national wastage of human resources if these strong hands are not allocated some suitable jobs, full stop. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, comma, our former president once exclaimed, colon, inverted comma, youth without relevant skills and knowledge can actually derail the economy and create more trouble for the country, inverted comma, full stop, stop.